Welcome to Fat City Finance. Today we're going to do something a little different. While scanning YouTube, we came across a very interesting new channel that warrants a discussion here about YouTube potential earnings and timeframes. The channel is called Marussia Outdoors, and it is run by Marussia Shiklina. It caught our eye not because of the billions of views accumulated, nor the millions of subscribers, but rather the fact that all of this occurred within just the past 100 days. As we're sure most of you know, this is really remarkable. What's even more astounding is that the channel has only 45 videos posted at the time of this video, and that only 3 of those videos are 9 to 11 minutes long, with the balance of the 42 videos being shorts of less than 1 minute each. That's approximately 72 minutes of video in total. If we examine the channel and look at some of the videos, we see that they are all of a young girl and her adventures with survival, camping, bushcraft, and the great outdoors. What makes these videos truly fascinating is that she doesn't speak a single word in any of them. All that you hear is the sound of nature and an occasional chuckle from Marussia. She does hashtag most of her videos with ASMR. Using socialblade.com, we can see that the channel was started on May 8th, 2023, and within 100 days, it grew to an astounding 3.83 million subscribers and 1.5 billion views. This channel shows the remarkable power of YouTube for new creators and just how quickly they can reach financial independence if they have the right idea and reach the right audience. We will say that Marussia might have had a head start, as her Instagram account shows 558,000 followers. We don't know if that was before YouTube or due to YouTube. Well, let's not delay any longer. As promised, we see that socialblade.com estimates that this channel earns over $2.7 million a month. That's right, a month. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy investing!